Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. In today's video, we will see how we can highlight a sentence containing specific words. So here is my database. There are some random comments that we are having, and in this random comments, we want to highlight those comments where word English is appearing. Okay, so basically, this is the first comment. Then this is the second one, then third and fourth. Okay, let's see once again. This is the first sentence where that English word is appearing. Then again this one is one more, English, then geography, English, geography, June, maths, history, English. So these are the 5 instances where word English is appearing, but you can see that there is no uniform pattern about these comments. That is English, that word English is not appearing either in the beginning or in the end. It is appearing anywhere. So how can we highlight the comments or the sentence where the word English is appearing? So in this case, we are going to use a wonderful function, search. And this is what search does. It returns the number of characters at which a specific character or a text string is first found, reading from left to right. So I'll say search, and the result of this search is a number. So we are going to use these two things, this search function and the fact that the result of this search is a whole number, to our advantage. So search, find text is into inverted commas English, within text is this, and start number is surrounded by vertical brackets, so it's completely optional. So I'll simply close parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. So 10, so it is the 10th position at which this English word is first found. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. But we all are aware that for the purpose of conditional formatting, and especially to determine our own formulas for highlighting this particular English comments, we want to have these numbers to be converted into trues and false, isn't it? So now that we know that wherever this whole number is appearing are basically the instances where that English word is inside that comment. So I am hitting F2 here, and we will use one more wonderful function. It is number. So is number. And this is what the it is number does for us. It checks whether the value is a number and returns true or false. So this is what we exactly want. So tab, and we'll simply close the parenthesis and Control Enter, and then simply take this formula. I'll select this range where I want conditional formatting to apply. Alt H L, new rule. With the keyboard, use a formula to determine which says to format, and formula for that formula, Alt O and Control V, and format we want is bold, outline borders, and we'll fill this with tan color. OK and OK. So this is how you can use search and combination of search and is number function to highlight all the comments where the word English is appearing, and it can appear anywhere. So friends, this brings me to this end of this short video. If you have liked my work, do give me a thumbs up. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.